Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Figma and Uizard. In order to do so, here we are at figma.com and we're also at uizard.io. And in order to do a comparison, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is an extension for your Chrome browser, and it's a fantastic tool that allows you to gain access to the top AI chat models at any given time so you can ask questions whenever you need. And according to Cider, Figma AI and Uizard are both design tools that leverage AI, but they serve slightly different purposes and have distinct features. Figma is a platform built into Figma, a popular collaborative UI UX design tool. It focuses on enhanced design workflows with AI-powered features such as automatic suggestions, content generation, image editing, and layout improvements directly within Figma. Its strengths include seamless collaboration, real-time editing, plugin ecosystem, and AI tools integrated into a familiar design environment. It's used for designers who want to streamline tasks like content filing, layout suggestions, or smart editing using AI. Uizard, on the other hand, is a standalone AI-powered design tool. Its focus is rapid prototyping, visual transformation, and converting sketches or wireframes into digital designs quickly. Its strengths are turning sketches, wireframes, or even plain language into prototypes, often emphasizing speed and simplicity for non-designers. It's for teams or individuals wanting to accelerate mock-up creation, generate wireframes from sketches, or leverage AI to jumpstart UI projects. In summary, use Figma if you're already deeply integrated into Figma and want AI features to boost your design process. Choose Uizard if you're looking for a quick AI-assisted prototyping, especially if you prefer starting from sketches or plain ideas. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider AI. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.